Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the low-hanging causes. Check that your HDMI cable is firmly seated and rated for high-speed signals, and switch your display to game mode to remove image processing delays. Once done, power cycle the console and your network equipment. This clears transient software hiccups. If you use Wi-Fi, make a quick swap to wired Ethernet for testing. You'll understand whether the delay is display, network, or console-related before moving into more detailed fixes. Now you dig into measurable changes and settings. Get a baseline by using an on-screen FPS/latency counter or a simple external latency tester so you can quantify improvements. Then make targeted trade-offs. Switch to performance mode or reduce resolution and refresh rate to cut frame render time. Make sure system and controller firmware are current. Clear the cache, and if one game shows severe delay, reinstall it. These steps isolate whether the problem is rendering, software corruption, or controller input. Finish by addressing peripherals and extreme remedies. Swap to a wired controller or fresh batteries and repair wireless devices to remove input lag. If all else fails and delays persist across titles, perform a factory reset, but backup saves to cloud or an external drive first so you don't lose progress. Make sure to test after each change. By logging the exact setting you altered and the measured latency, you'll pinpoint the fix and avoid unnecessary resets in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.